Okay, tara simulan na natin ang unboxing nitong women's na sapatos na Adidas Alpha Bounce Plus Sustainable Bounce. So kung maalala nyo po sa previous kong video, ay meron din akong pinost na ganito rin, kaya lang yung panglalaki naman na kulay. So ayan po, kung nakikita nyo po ngayon yung kanyang price dun sa karton, bali 4,500 po talaga yung original price niyan. Pero hindi po yan yung price ng pagkabili ko. So bali mamaya sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung magkano ang price nito. Tsaka mamaya din po pala sasabihin ko rin po sa inyo kung saan ko ito nabili. Iniisip ko na yung mga sasabihin nyo, oh sa Shopee lang yan nabili, oh sa Lazada lang yan nabili. Hindi po sa Shopee at Lazada ko ito nabili. Okay, tara, simulan na natin ang unboxing nito.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that
Okay, tayo lang po. Ayusin ko lang po muna to. I-adjust ko lang muna. Teka lang po. So, bali, habang inaayos ko po ito at ina-adjust ko po ito, gusto niyo na po bang malaman kung saan ko ito nabili? So, bali, ito po ay nabili ko sa online din. Nabili ko po ito sa, gusto niyo na po bang malaman? Nabili ko po ito sa Sports Central. Kaya lang po, Sports Central online. Ops. Paalala lang po. Hindi po pala ito sponsored ng Sports Central At saka lalong hindi rin po ito sponsored ng Adidas.
Living at better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard?
So ayun na nga po, no, nabili ko po ito online sa Sports Central, no. So bali nabili ko po ito sa halagang 2,500 pesos. Medyo may kamahalan pa rin siya, pero yan na po kasi talaga yung pinaka sale price dun sa online ng Sports Central.
Or living my pace, you're only young once. Yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Baka nagtataka po kayo siguro kung bakit doon ako bumili sa online ng Sports Central. Meron din naman po sanang ganyan sa Lazada at saka Shopee. Kaya lang po ay wala po sila yung size ng ganon na hinahanap ko. So bali ang hinahanap ko po kasi yung pambabaeng size na 6.5. Wala po kasi doon sa Lazada at saka Shopee ganong size. So naghanap-hanap po ako sa online. Doon po ako nakahanap sa Sports Central. Kaya lang sa Sports Central online. Tsaka po pala doon sa mga hindi po nakapanood ng previous ko na video na panlalaking ganito, yung Adidas Alpha Bounce Plus Sustainable Bounce, yung link po ay isi-share ko po dyan sa description box. At tsaka po mamaya po pala ipapakita ko rin po sa inyo kung anong itsura nito pagka nakasuot na sa paa. So bali same din po pala sila, no? Kahit nasa Sports Central online ko binili, bali made in Indonesia pa rin po pala siya. Kasi yung nabili ko po online sa Shopee made in Indonesia rin po yun. So same lang din po pala sila. So okay, next ipapakita ko na po sa inyo kung anong itsura nito pagka nakasuot na sa paa. Okay mga ka-obob, at dito na magtatapos ang aking video. At doon po pala sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please like and subscribe na po kayo. Hanggang sa susunod, maraming salamat!